Hey folks, JG here, Chief Executive Officer for Visture Property Group, as well as Chief Growth Officer for Rain Canada, and wanted to give you my quick analysis on specifically the Peterborough, Aurelia market, the markets that we specialize in at Visture Property Group. What's happened to the rental market is a question people are asking, and there's a couple different points to it. First of all, the effects on the rental market across the country have led to the recent report came out, 71% of rents were collected. At Visture Property Group, our tenant profile and who we work with, we're much closer to 100% collected. We're somewhere between 96, 98% collected. So very, very good at Visture Property Group. We're way above average. So congratulations to our team. They do an amazing job. Congratulations to our tenants and to our clients. They also do an amazing job. So that's the first point. So the first point to really consider when it comes to what's happened in the rental market is you have to consider it really depends on your tenant profile. Not every tenant profile has been affected the same way. That's the first point to consider. The second point to consider is it also depends on the asset class, so to speak. So I'll give you an example. Single family rentals in Peterborough have really gone up dramatically in interest. Compared to 3 months ago, the appetite for single family rentals is way up. We recently had a rental that had 7 paid deposits, applications, leases signed. It kind of almost even within like multiple offers kind of, and this is for a rental. This isn't for a purchase. This is for a rental. And so it's very, very high demand for single family rentals right now. Something that's nice in a nice neighborhood, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms, 1.5, 2 bathrooms. That's kind of the sweet spot. So single families definitely going in a good direction. The hardest hit, so that's at the one end of the market. At the other end of the market is the market that's been hit the hardest, which is student rentals. Student rentals are very, very difficult right now. Depends on tenant profile. If you're working with international students, a lot of them are holding their leases. Some of them are paying their leases. Some of them are having a hard time getting money from other family members to pay their rent, but that's beyond the point. Student rentals are very difficult to rent right now. Most colleges and universities are creating uncertainty, to say the least. They're uncertain as to what's happening. Some of them are canceling the first month or two of the September sort of fall semester. That's the first thing. The other thing is behind the scenes. I have it on good knowledge with insider info that a lot of them are actually planning to not resume classes until 2021. So this is creating chaos in the student rental business. A lot of student rentals, we've been advising our clients in the student rental business to start thinking about repurposing their rentals. Hanging on, folks, if you're in the student rental business, hanging on for a month, 2 months, okay, 3 months maybe, but hanging on until 2021 and beyond may be very, very difficult. So everyone has their own unique situation. You really got to give this some serious thought. But that's the bottom line. Single family homes, boom, straight up in terms of appetite. Student rentals, boom, right down in terms of appetite. And then the rest is depending on your tenant profile. Being a real estate investor nowadays, depending on is still a great idea. Still a phenomenal asset class, still a phenomenal investment, but you have to manage it well. You have to be on top of it. We are on top of it at Visture Property Group, Visture Property Management for our clients. That's a quick update on those two dichotomies of COVID-19 and what it's creating for the market. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share.